There you go. Nice brook. Come on. Come on, Big Papa. There's a nice brook trout. See right there? Been in a few fights, as you can see. Still, beautiful rainbow brook trout. Calm down. See right there? Beautiful brook trout right there. Great opportunity. I'm going to release her for you. Hold on. Here we go. Gonna release this beauty. She's kicking. She wants to get back in the water. We'll see how big she is first. About 15 inches. It's a 15-inch brook trout, maybe about half a pound. Try to let her go here. It's a male. There she goes. There he goes. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe for more videos.